Guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For today's video guys, I am going to make a dish that is very simple and only have few ingredients. We have beef right here that I just cut in small and thinly sliced pieces, and I have potatoes right here that I just sliced really thinly, and I'm just soaking it in water so it won't turn brown. And I have garlic, red onion, and I'm just going to use black pepper, olive oil, and this cream of chicken. So I don't need to put salt because this is already seasoned. And let us start sauteing this. I'm going to saute this first using our olive oil, and then I'm going to remove it from the pan, and then I'm going to saute that next. So let's start sauteing. So we're going to put some olive oil. I drained the potatoes already and I wiped it a little bit so it's a little dry before we put it on our oil. Okay, now our pan is hot. We'll put the potatoes that I drained. Now the potatoes are sauteed already in olive oil. We're going to remove it from the pan. There you go guys, I removed the potatoes already. So in the same pan, we're just going to saute the beef because we wanted that flavor from the potatoes anyway. So we're going to put our garlic, then the onions, I'm going to glaze the beef first, and then I'm gonna put some water, and then we're going to boil it for a long time until it gets really tender. So there you go guys, it's already glazed, and then we're going to put water. And scrape the bottom to get all that flavor. Then we're just gonna wait until it gets really tender. Okay guys, the beef is already tender and I reduced the water already. So now it's time to put our cream of chicken. You can use cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, that's fine. But this is what I have in my pantry. Maybe I'm gonna put a little bit more water. It's so thick. And it looks so yummy. And then I'm going to put the potatoes. Oh my goodness, it looks so delicious. There you go guys, and I'm just going to simmer a little bit until the potatoes are already tender. Okay guys, here's the finished product, and I am just going to put some parsley on top for our added presentation. It looks so good and it tasted so good. I tasted it already. Go guys, thank you guys so much for watching. To all of my subscribers, thank you so much for all of your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again on our next video. Bye for now.